Hello guys. So in this video we will have a look at question number 3 of practice set 12 from the chapter operations on fractions. In the previous video we had solved all the questions except this question, and we had announced that this will be covered in the next video. So see, the question says that of the total number of soldiers in our army, 4 by 9 are posted on the northern border and one third of them in the northeastern border. The total number of soldiers in the north is 554,000. Sorry, it's 5,40,000. How many are posted in the northeast? So, how many are posted in the northeast? That's the question. So, from this, what we can infer is there are total soldiers in the north. 5,40,000, right? And north means an important thing here. North means north side, northeast, and northwest. All the three, right? So this is important. North covers north, northeast, and northwest. All the three. You have to note that thing. Now it says that the first piece of information says that 4 by 9 are posted on the northern border. So 4 by 9 multiplied by something, let's call it A. Let's call it A is equal to 5,40,000. So let us see in detail why did we write this and how did we understand that this will be the equation. So there are total soldiers in north. See, these are the total soldiers. So this side is clear, and 4 by 9 are posted on the northern border. That is, of the total soldiers in north, northeast and northwest. See, let us get the directions as well. See, here we have northeast, here we have north, and here we have northwest. So 4 by 9 are placed 4 by 9 are placed on the northern border. Northern border, 4 by 9. Right? So on the northern border there are 4 by 9 soldiers. 4 by 9 part of soldiers. Okay, so we use the concept of multiplication as in out of these 4 by 9 are on the northern border. So how much exactly are there on the northern border? That we will get from this. So on shifting terms we get therefore A equal to 5,40,000. See, when this will go to the right hand side, this will convert into multiplication, it is in division, and when 4 will go on to the right hand side, it will convert into division because it is in multiplication, right? So you see, you can divide 5,40,000 and 9. So on dividing, let us divide. So on dividing, what we get is, you also divide, I will also divide. You get 1,35,000. You get 1,35,000 to 9, which is 12,15,000. So that these soldiers are on the northern border. Now the soldiers in the northeastern border are, for northeast we have one third of them. So 1/3 are placed in the northeast. So we have 1/3 into say something B are 5,40,000. So we have 1/3. So B will be 5,40,000 multiplied by 3. So which is 16,20,000. So B is 16,20,000. So these are in the northeast. So how many are placed in the northeast? Just let us confirm it once. Yeah. So we made a mistake here. The thing is, there are these many soldiers in north. These many, right? 12,15,000. So total in northeast will be something of that 12,15,000, right? In the north, in the entire of north, there are these many soldiers, and then in northeast there will be something of them. So we will have 1 by 3 into B. The same technique is, so B will be 12,15,000 multiplied by 3, and which we know is 36,45,000. Okay, just let us write in another line. Space issues. Which we